I run around the corner. I heard the sirens. I ran over there, tell somebody back there that's where they were. I saw another guy laying on the corner. They was already, assisting him, and I told him that, there's another guy shot back here, and that's about all. Everything else is rumors.
All I heard was the kids come screaming, somebody's been shot. I knew most of mine were in there in the house, so I was okay because they were in the house. But for everybody else that I know out here, all their kids out, scares the crap out of me.